Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, TCS is on fire, and again TCS free hiring for BPS is also out now. TCS Ignite hiring was already announced, and now TCS BPS hiring is also announced, but it is very important for you to understand the sample paper which TCS has released. So are you able to solve that kind of question? Like if you'll see this question, so below is the given frequency distribution of weight of group of 81 student of a class in a school. Find the model class. Do you know what is the model class? Do you know how to solve this kind of questions in seconds? So that all I am going to discuss in this video. Before that, I wanted to tell you, friends, please do like the video and also subscribe to the channel so that you will not be missing any update. And BE BTech free hiring will be announced soon. Many of you are really very much confused, and because there are many messages are circulated in WhatsApp group, Telegram group, so that is the reason you are getting confused. TCS free hiring for BE BTech, that is TCS NQT free hiring, will be announced soon. It is not yet announced. We will let you know. But now, if you are preparing for BPS, Smart or Ignite hiring, then this is the time. How you have to prepare, how you have to apply, the complete details I am going to give you in this particular video. Also, I will be sharing you the syllabus, okay? So syllabus of TCS Smart hiring, I mean the pattern, basically the pattern of the TCS Smart hiring, and then the pattern of the BPS. All those things I am going to share with you. And recently one of our candidate, so Ajay Kumar, he got selected in TCS Ignite through TCS Smart and Ignite hiring program. And friends, if you are also looking to get selected in TCS, then friends, it's a wonderful opportunity. Either you are preparing for TCS BPS Smart hiring, right, or you are preparing for TCS NQT. Only a single course is going to help you, TCS NQT crash course. I will just show you the content, and in the limited time you will be able to prepare. So as you know, the dates will be generally in February, so I will tell you. So here also you can see how to start. So friends, first what you have to do, you have to go through the recorded videos. So 1.2 recorded videos, quant reasoning, verbal ability plus coding. So go through. See, in that also I will tell you what exactly you have to read. So aptitude you cover completely. So the level of the questions of TCS NQT BPS Smart hiring will be almost same. So friends, see, if you have a target of, right, going to 100 floors, so at least you will be able to reach to 50 or 60 floors. So if you keep your aim high, then below that things will automatically get covered. So you are preparing for TCS or any other examination, this course is definitely going to help you. So cover aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, and in programming. So if you are preparing for BPS and BPS, then programming is not required. If you are preparing for smart hiring or TCS NQT, then programming for smart hiring is optional and NQT it is mandatory. In that, what you do, basic coding concepts you read, and then TCS NQT programming videos you read. That's all. This is sufficient, okay? Other things is for your basics. If somebody basics is not good, so that is the reason we have kept it, okay? And you have some practice videos which you can go through it now. And then friends, after you complete this, you go for the mock test. This easily you will be able to cover within a month, so that's not a very big deal. So once you go back and then try to see the practice sets is there, that also you can go through, and mock test series, which is very important, right? See, because it is very important for you to solve the questions in the given amount of time. So get it today. So if you're from BPS, verbal ability, aptitude, reasoning will be there, and if you're from smart hiring, only one coding question, that too is optional. And TCS NQT, each and everything is important. Whatever I have told you, you will be easily able to cover within a month. Now, so let us go back and see a bit about that. So TCS BPS hiring, it will be generally for arts and commerce graduate, okay? So the registration last date is 25th of January 2025, Saturday. And the test date will be confirmed to the eligible candidate, okay? So if after you apply and if you're eligible, it will be informed to you, okay? Now So TCS BPS is bringing inspiring entry level opportunity for arts and commerce graduate from the batch of 2025. Okay, now log on to the TCS Next Step portal, and then what you have to do, apply for TCS. Step 3, registration. Apply for TCS BPS hiring process. You do not have to select IT. Okay, if you are a registered user, kindly log in and proceed to complete the application form. Upon submission, kindly click on apply to drive. Okay, anyway, now let us come back here, and you see test pattern. Test pattern, 50 minutes will be given to you. Verbal ability, numerical ability, and logical reasoning you will have to attempt. Okay, so aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability, these are the 3 things. Okay, eligibility criteria. So 3 years full-time degree from BCom, BA, BAF, BBI, BBA, BBM, BMS from the batch of 2025 may apply. Okay, and then okay, so this is the eligibility criteria. Now if you have to apply, so come down here, and then you will be able to see register now. Click on register now. Very carefully you have to select TCS BPS hiring here. Okay, so let us come down here now. Click on register now. So TCS BPS hiring, business process services. Okay, and after that you have to put your email ID, and then you will be able to apply. So this is for the TCS BPS hiring. So what you do, the link will be given in description. You can go through it. Okay, then TCS BSc Ignite. Now, so this is friends for Ignite and Smart Hiring. Already I have told you. So this is for 2025 batch. Exam is on Valentine Day, 14th of Feb. Registration last date is 10th of January. And the here I will tell you the complete process. Now, one thing which you have to understand here is that you are going to select IT here. So register and apply for TCS BSc Ignite and Smart Hiring process. So you have to category, you have to select as IT, not BPS. Now, so friends, this link will be also given in the description. And here you see, so recently Ajay Kumar got selected in TCS Ignite. And one more thing I wanted to tell you. So if you enroll for this TCS NQT crash course, the link is given in the description. We are conducting daily live classes. Okay, so if you want to know the schedule, you see, so 30th of December to 4th of Jan. So Monday, today coding classes by Yankan sir in C++. Tuesday verbal ability by Busra ma'am. Wednesday coding in Java by Adarsh sir. Thursday mock interview Busra ma'am. And Friday mock interview also we are doing, so that if for any other companies you are preparing, you will be able to do Friday aptitude by Pratik sir, Saturday aptitude test, and Sunday reasoning class by Pratik sir. Crack any exam with online study for you. That much effort you are putting. But anyway, this live classes will also have the recordings with you, so you will be easily able to understand and do the things. Friends, already we have given so many results in every TCS Prime, TCS Ignite, TCS Digital, TCS Ninja, everywhere we have given a lot of results, and that's what we are telling. Now, this is your TCS Ignite Smart Hiring syllabus. So you can see total 120 minutes will be there. Numerical ability 20 question, reasoning ability 20 question, verbal ability 20 question, and coding optional 1 question will be there. That will be for 30 minutes. So if you clear this coding optional 1 question, right, then you will be getting the TCS Ignite role, where they will offer you 2.8 lakhs per annum. Okay, now TCS BPS pattern, so verbal ability, numerical ability, logical reasoning, and this will be 50 minutes. And now let us see, friends, many things. See, what I'm trying to tell you, there are many things which you are not aware. Okay, and you will think I will watch some YouTube videos and I will be able to clear. That does not work like that, man. See, we have to put some effort. You need to know. See, many a times questions will be simple, but we are not aware. And these questions, from where I have taken. So I have taken from the sample paper which is released by TCS. So what you can do, you can go to TCS BSc Ignite. Okay, and then just go to test pattern here. Okay, and then you see, please click here to download the sample paper. And then these are the questions from where only I have taken these questions, and few of them I am going to solve now in front of you. And I will tell you the timing will be very, very important if you are preparing for TCS, if you are going to write TCS examination. So please watch the video till the end. Now, Pratik purchased 15 pumpkin each for rupees 20. Now 15 pumpkin Pratik is buying for 20 rupees. So total 300 rupees he is spending. Okay, fine. 2 pumpkins were rotten. So 2 pumpkins were rotten. So now 13 only is remaining. Okay. Hence, he disposed them and the remaining was sold at, so 13 pumpkin was there and each was sold at 25 rupees. Now 13, see, so this multiplication only you will start finding difficult. 13 into 2 is what? 260. 20 plus 5, so 260 and 65 will be nothing but 325. 325 rupees is selling price. So timing is very, very important for each and everything. You cannot use calculator. Now they're asking find the rate of loss or profit. 300 rupees he bought, 325 rupees he sold. So definitely there is a profit. So options with losses are anyway reduced. Now friends, so if you have to find profit and loss, what you will do? So profit percentage will be equal to some kind of formula. Some kind of formula you will start using by cost price into 100. My dear friends, you do not have to do that. See, if your base is 100, you will be easily able to tell that. So now what I am going to do, I am going to make base as 100. So this 325 I can also write 300 plus 25, right? Okay. Now, so what I will do, how can I make base 100? So I will divide this by 3 and I will divide this by 3. So this will become 100 and this will become 100 plus 25 divided by 3. So if your 100 is base, then you can directly say, sir, 25 by 3 percentage profit, option A will become the correct answer. See, if you bought something at 100 and sold at 110, sir, there is a profit of 10 rupees. You directly say, right? Because 100 is the base and 10% is your profit. 100, I made the 100 base by dividing it by 3 and then I could see 25 by 3 is the correct answer. How much time it will take? It will not even take 40 to 50 seconds. If you're good at doing this calculation, if you have learned all those things, so you can watch. I'm telling you, see, 100 videos you can watch on YouTube, but the only thing is you have to get how to deal with the problems, how to deal with the calculations, how to avoid this kind of formulas. That is what I will be teaching you in this particular TCS NQT crash course. And that is the reason you are able to see so many results, right? See, the result won't come simply here. You have to put a lot of effort behind that. And when we say, okay, we have given so many results, that means we are putting effort and we are telling a student to tackle the questions, attempt the questions in a particular way, in a very different way where other student fails. You give this question to your friend and then see how much time they are taking. Okay, fine. Now the second question. So the ratio between the speed of the train is 3:5. Okay, so the ratio between the speed of the two trains is 3:5. If the second train runs 300 kilometer in 4 hours, so how much time it is taking? Time will be distance by speed. It is nothing but 75. It is nothing but in 4 hours, right? So distance will be equal to speed into time. So speed will be distance by time. So 300 by 4. So we will be getting the speed as 75. So second train is taking 75. This is nothing but 15 times. So this will be also 15 times because the ratio will be same. So 45 kilometer it will be, that will be the answer. Even you don't need this pen here. Okay, see, 3:5, 300 kilometer in 4 hours, 300 by 4, it will be 75. So this is 75, right? This is 75, that means 15 times. So this will be also 15 times. That's all. You will be able to get the answer. Now that also you do not have to do anything. Now listen what I'm going to tell you. Listen what I'm going to tell you. Nothing you had to do. You could have simply marked the question and come back. Let us see how. So what they are telling is, my dear friends, the speed of train 1 is, the speed of train 1 and train 2 is nothing but the ratio of the speed of 3:5. Okay, the second train runs this, then the speed of the first train. First train speed. So first train speed will be always a multiple of 3. First train speed will be always a multiple of 3. There is only one option which is divisible by 3. That is what your answer. Why do you need to solve? How you will be able to score well in the examination, that you have to think. Okay, this question needs 10 seconds. 10 seconds. They are asking the speed of the train 1, that is 3:5, right? So the speed of the train 1, that means the speed of the train 1 will be a multiple of 3. A multiple of 3. So 3 multiple, that means which option is divisible by 3? That is only option B, 45. 10 second done. That's all. Done. No need to think only. Okay. Now this particular question, sir, how to calculate the modal class? I was not aware. I watched lot of YouTube videos, but I was not able to do that. How you will be able to do that, yeah? So because they will not cover all such things. These are like comes in a like little difficult categories, or many are not aware of all those things. Modal class friends, wherever right, you see the highest frequency, that particular class will be treated as your, that particular class will be treated as your modal class. So you see the highest frequency we have here, frequency distribution they have given, highest frequency is 20, so the modal class will be 50 to 54. So when I will teach you how to mode questions, there I will tell you the how to find out the modal class and all those things, right? It's already available as part of the recorded videos. You do not have to even use much of your brain. So that is what I'm going to do here. So this will definitely change the way you attempt the questions, and results will come for sure. So get this TCS NQT crash course today itself, irrespective of you are preparing for BPS, you are preparing for smart hiring, or you are preparing for TCS NQT, because we are having daily live classes. So if suppose if you do not have coding, skip that day when the coding classes is there, but all other live classes will be given, and that we cannot give in each and every batch. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video.